I'm not advising you on whether to buy a house. That's a completely different discussion. But I can tell you a nice story of how my friend bought a house, or rather bought houses, and he was an investor, not buying one for his own consumption. So here this guy goes in a nice car and carrying a nice checkbook and visibly keeping it in his pocket to meet a builder in South Bombay. Well, South Bombay, for people like us who call it South Bombay, for many people, Worli, Lower Parel, etc., are not South Bombay. For people living in the suburbs, much further off, Worli, South Bombay. So this was Worli Parel, that kind of an area. And he goes and sees some flats. Each of those flats are worth about 18 crores, is what the builder tells him. This is a very old story, it's not a new story, it's an old story. 18 crores per flat, luxury flats. He just goes, has a look and all that, and then doesn't talk anything. And but while coming out, he tells the person who showed him, I may be interested in buying a few flats. You heard it right, flats. He's an employee, so he's very excited. So he keeps calling up this guy and says, hello sir, would you want, because he's chasing him. Flats were not selling, and this is a 3-4 year old story. So what does one do? He tells his boss, saying, look, this man had come, let's call him Mr. R. Mr. R had come and he wanted to buy an apartment, and he said, I want to buy a few houses. But he is now not responding to me. I am only a manager. If you were to call him, maybe he would respond. So now the owner starts calling him and saying, you came and you had a look, you saw 3-4 flats, and would you be interested in buying them? So this fellow says, yeah, actually I'm interested in buying, but I had not made up my mind. So he said, sir, can we meet again? So this guy goes to him again with the checkbook and all, and he shows him those houses. He says, I've seen the houses. I know how all 4 of them look. So very good. They've started talking, and the fellow says, how much is it per house? So he says 18 crores. So he says, I may be interested in buying 3-4 houses. Thak, the builder gets the hit, and he says, okay. And he says, now tell me, how much will I have to pay? The builder in his style says, sir, 18 fours are 72. This fellow says, I know the math, and I'm not asking you how much I have to pay. I'm not asking you what you have told me. I'm asking you how much do I have to pay. So he says, do you need to get a loan for this? He says, no, money is lying in my bank account. Here's the checkbook, and if you can give the papers to me by mail, I can send it across to my lawyer, and my lawyer will clear it in 10 minutes if it's a standard agreement. He said, yes, it's a standard agreement. Then he asked him, which are the institutions which are lending to your buyers. So he names them. He says, okay, as long as you have HDFC, give me the copy of the agreement, and I'll send it across to my lawyer. So they're sitting, talking. He's clearly shown intention that the papers have been forwarded to the lawyer, and they're expecting the lawyer to say within half an hour that it's a good deal. The documents are okay. The lawyer, that's what the lawyer does. Ding, the bell rings, and yes, the lawyer is happy with the documentation, no problem. So the deal can go through. Now our friend again asks the builder, tell me, kitne ka check banaun? No bargaining, no nothing, and the builder says 36 crores. Straight 50% discount. Now, I know this friend of mine, he is very sharp, he's got money, everything is true, and he told me it was luck that he got such a huge discount. But when I spoke to his brother, he had a different story. His brother said, his brother told me that this fellow was anyway wanting to buy property to give on rent or to sell off at a later date, and he was talking to a lot of bankers asking which are the builders who are in trouble. This builder had a 50 or a 70 crore payment to be made to a big institution, and there was risk of him defaulting, which this fellow found out and he exploited it. Now, the learning from this is not what this fellow did. That is, of course, true. But what can you do? Simple. Right now, builders are under stress. Thank the coronavirus for that. You need to buy a house. It's not a bad time at all to buy a house, provided you are sure about your cash flows. That I don't know. 4 of you, 5 of you get together and buy 4 or 5 flats. I'm not saying all of us can go and write a check for 72 crores or 36 crores and buy 4 flats or 5 flats. That is not the story. The story is 5 of you can get together, appoint one person to sit and negotiate hard with the builder. Will you get 50% discount? I'm not sure about 50% discount. Will you get a 20% discount? Absolutely yes. Will you get a 30% discount? Depends on how well you negotiate. But yes, a lot of prices have to go off the price list. People are not going to pay. So when you have to buy a house, you need to do all this homework. How will you do it? Create a Facebook group, do whatever, find 5 like-minded people, sit together, negotiate. It will work. Thank you.